Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. The Dell Latitude 5310 2-in-1 laptop with a 13.1-inch touchscreen is a versatile device designed for business use. Here are some key specifications based on available information. Display features a 13.3-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 touchscreen with IPS technology, offering 60 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and supports pen input. The screen is noted for its 72% color gamut coverage and brightness up to 300 nits. The laptop features a 13.3-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 display with touch support. It's an IPS panel with Gorilla Glass 5, offering 300 nits brightness, 72% color gamut, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. The screen supports pen input as well. Processor comes with options up to 10th generation Intel processors, which include Intel Core i5 and i7 models. The specific model mentioned in reviews includes an Intel Core i5-10310U, which is a quad-core processor. Memory and storage configurations range from 4 GB to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM at 2667 MHz. Storage options include NVMe SSDs from 128 GB up to 1 TB, with different form factors like M.2 and M.2 Ports and connectivity. It includes multiple USB ports, USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 2, USB-C with power delivery, HDMI, DisplayPort, and a microSD card reader. It also features Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Design and build. The laptop has a magnesium case which is noted for its solid build, rigid hinges, and a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The 2-in-1 form factor allows it to be used in various modes: laptop, tent, stand, or tablet. The Latitude 5310 2-in-1 has a magnesium case, offering durability with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The hinges are notably rigid, enhancing the overall build quality. Battery life. It has received positive feedback for its battery life, offering up to 11 hours of usage, which makes it suitable for long work sessions without needing to recharge. Performance. While not the fastest in its class, the Latitude 5310 balances performance with battery life and thermal management, making it suitable for everyday business tasks. It doesn't maximize the CPU's potential for the sake of maintaining a cooler and quieter operation. Software and features. Comes with options for Windows 10 Home or Pro, alongside Dell Optimizer, which uses AI to enhance performance, battery life, and audio settings. Includes Dell Optimizer, a built-in AI that adjusts application performance, battery life, and audio settings. It also supports features like express response for faster application launches.
Welcome to Byte Vision.
Additional features. It includes a fingerprint reader for security, a smart card reader, and NFC in some models.
With scan button of EDA52 device on the left side, volume up and down with scan button. Step 1, press volume down, then press power buttons.
Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. Tutorial video of lap to remove the memory size. Put back the upper unit back over.
The keyboard provides a firm stroke with a clear pressure point, and the touchpad supports various gestures.
Close the main back over and tighten the screw. Install the battery unit and lock both the keys.
Unscrew all nut bolt. Remove the battery unit gently.
This model provides a flexible, durable, and high-performing option for users looking for a convertible laptop for both work and entertainment.
Place the new battery on the same position. Tight all the nuts screw accordingly.
Remember, when considering purchasing, check for the latest configurations or deals that might offer better value or different specifications. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.